Hello traders, I am Sheshu from Hyderabad. I am not a civil registered analyst. I found a unique structure in the market. I done a video on new strategy in stock market, that is life-changing new strategy 2024. Now Dr. Reddy Laboratories comes under the structure. I will show you the structure. First come to 15 minutes chart on 5th December. This stock under my structure ADX, the ADX value below 20. Now the ADX line, that is red line, under 20. The value is 15.33. Now come to 30 minutes chart on 5th December. This is the first candle. The ADX line is going down and below 20 and it bounced back from there. And now come to 1 hour chart. This is the first candle of the day. The CCI value below 100, percentage William R below -20. The Bollinger Band mid-band is greater than Downtrend channel mid-band. Downtrend channel mid-band crossed Bollinger Band mid-band here. Calculate the target for the day. Coming to NSE website, this is the derivative segment, and come to stock futures and come to daily volatility. Here is the daily volatility 1.27. Now calculate the value. Here is the 10:30 first 1 hour candle. The high of the candle is 1221.80. 1221.80. The daily volatility may vary depending upon the momentum of the stock. So now calculate the value. Plus 1.27 percentage. That is 1237.31. It reached the target here. The high of the candle is 1247.10 paisa. The target is achieved. This stock under my structure. When to buy the stock? Come to daily time frame. Wait for the crossover. The crossover is Downtrend channel mid-band. Crossed Bollinger Band mid-band from the downside. The crossover is happened here. This is flag pattern. Breakdown is happened here. In weekly charts, next week, this MACD crossover may happen. The monthly charts also like that. There are chances to go further high and it will break this level. If you want the target, please go to my previous video. Here is my YouTube channel, Balaji Srinivas Invest Mantra. For the target, go to life-changing new strategy in the stock market. That will give you the target. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.